Hey everyone, working on this Mansfield repair kit 630-7755. I got frost-free in my hand, the stem, and there's great instructions on that, but it doesn't really tell you what to do with this rubber boot. And when I pulled it off, mine was way down here towards the end where the graphite bushing is. And so I found a video that showed like the cutaway. So you actually want to push this over here. Mine's inverted right now, and then pull it back. So I'm gonna jump to where that's done, but what I'm doing is I'm getting the rubber boot to sit in this relief here. So okay, the problem with doing it inverted is it wanted to pull off when I tried to re-invert it, so I got a pick in there to help me thread it on correctly. And I'm not going to be able to show you guys doing this, but essentially I'm rotating this pick around, and then I'll show you a clip when it's all done. So here it is, all installed correctly. The part of the issue, like I said, was when I pulled it off, it was not located here, so I didn't really have a reference point of where it needed to go back to. I'm going to show you the back of the box. It's kind of explains it, but not entirely. So if you look at the picture there, you can see it's showing it. It just wasn't showing it in this like O-ring retainer area. So all right, hope that helps somebody.